In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet feels chaotic, this quick technique will let you organize everything by the column you care about most, like name, date, or price, without breaking the relationships between cells. The key idea is that we'll sort the entire sheet by one column, so every row stays together and perfectly aligned. Start by clicking the letter at the very top of the column you want to sort by. Don't just click a single cell. Make sure you select the whole column by using the letter header. With that column selected, go to the Data menu, choose Sort Sheet, and then pick A to Z. This tells Google Sheets to reorder every row in your sheet based on the values in that column. Text will go alphabetically from A to Z, numbers go from smallest to largest, and dates typically go from oldest to newest. It's a clean, reliable way to rearrange your data without scrambling rows. A couple of quick tips while you do this. Google Sheets is usually smart about header rows and may keep them at the top, but always give your sheet a quick scan after sorting to confirm everything looks right. If you want the reverse order, like Z to newest to oldest or highest to lowest, you can pick the opposite option from the same menu. And if the result isn't what you expected, you can immediately undo and try a different sort. If you already have filters turned on in your sheet, there's an even faster method. Look at your header row and find the little green triangle on the column you want to use. Click that triangle and choose Sort A to Z. That's it. This is the quickest way to toggle between different views while you work, because you can sort by names, dates, or prices right from the column header without visiting the Data menu. It's especially handy when you're hopping between columns to spot trends or verify entries. No matter which method you use, the result is the same. A neatly organized sheet where every row stays intact and aligned with its related information. Sorting by a specific column helps you find what you need faster, compare entries side by side, and clean up your workflow in seconds. Simple, easy, and instant organization. If this helped you get your sheet under control, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets basics and time-saving tips.